All right, so today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious pizza from scratch. It's actually a lot easier than you might think, and the best part is you can customize it with your favorite toppings. First things first, you're going to need some basic ingredients. You'll need some pizza dough, tomato sauce, cheese, and whatever toppings you like. I'm going to be using pepperoni, mushrooms, and bell peppers for mine. Start by preheating your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's heating up, take your pizza dough and roll it out on a floured surface. You want to get it nice and thin, but not too thin that it tears. Once your dough is rolled out, transfer it to a pizza pan or baking sheet. Now it's time to add the sauce. Spread a generous amount of tomato sauce over the dough, leaving a little bit of room around the edges for the crust. Next, sprinkle on your cheese. I like to use a combination of mozzarella and cheddar, but you can use whatever you prefer. Make sure to cover the sauce evenly with the cheese. Now it's time for the toppings. I'm going to start with the pepperoni, then add the mushrooms and bell peppers. Feel free to get creative with your toppings. You can add anything from olives to pineapple to bacon. Once your pizza is topped to your liking, it's ready to go in the oven. Pop it in and let it bake for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly. When your pizza is done, carefully remove it from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before slicing it up. And there you have it, a delicious homemade pizza that's sure to impress your friends and family. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make a delicious pizza. It's a fun and easy recipe that you can customize to your liking. So next time you're craving pizza, skip the delivery and try making your own at home. Trust me, it's worth the effort.